This is an unboxing for a lock seal storage canister, 750ml capacity, and let's have a little look because I've just got it and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Right, oops a daisy. Okay. Oh, at least it comes protected, which is nice. So yeah, this looks very nice. Metal, and then on here you've got some, because I know you can keep like fresh coffee, ground coffee in this, and I think this is like to give you an indication of how long it's been in. Right, so it's got this nice metal secure fastening, which is nice. Right, and there's let's have a look. So you've got a spoon that comes with it, a scoop spoon. So that's to get the right amount of coffee. And I did notice on the side here, you've got this, so that's where you would keep it. So that's nice. I think that's the right way. Yes, that's the right way. And then the inside's all stainless steel. And like I say, it is lockable and it's airtight, so it will keep whatever you put in fresh. I will put the Amazon link for this, so you know where to buy it from. But for us, yes, I like it. It's black, which I wanted for the kitchen, and I think the metal shiny trim and the lockable part here sort of sets it off. Like I say, you have got this top dial. Some people will use it, some people won't. I mean, for me, I'm going to probably, at the moment, so I've got no fresh coffee powder, I will just put my coffee out the jar into here because it's a lot nicer to have out on show. But yeah, it's nice. This is actually on the top finished in like a shiny sort of plastic, but the actual container, like I said, is metal and 750 capacity. So yeah, I like it. It looks nice. It came nicely boxed up. You can keep rice in it as well. That's another thing, and pasta. So you can use it for what you want, but it will keep whatever you want in there nice and fresh. Okay, thanks for watching this video.